Welcome to Topanga Beach. The water is so still. I wonder if we'll see a dolphin. There she is. Wonder if she'll come up again. Hello, dolphin. Have you ever seen a butterfly at the beach? Looks like she's sitting on top of some... Is that seaweed? What do you think? Let's see if any friends have arrived yet. There they are. All right, time for me to get my trash picked up. I'm wearing gloves to keep my hands protected. Do you have any gloves at home? I'll be taking that. In just 1 hour, I filled my whole bucket with trash. The ocean and all her friends seem to be saying thank you. Thank you, ocean. See you soon.